With record temps and the potential for summers in Las Vegas to only get hotter, it's important for you to maintain your HVAC system.
Here with some industry tips and tricks is Daniel Stewart from Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, guys.
How you doing?
Great.
Like,
We know the concept of only getting hotter.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, we know we're talking to a professional, one, because the outfit, and two, because how many pens you have. That's a man. That's a man who's a professional.
Yep. The fuller the pocket, the more professional you
That's
are.
how you know you can
That's
trust
right.
someone.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, obviously, you know, everyone's experiencing these crazy hot temperatures that we've been, basically it feels like since March this year.
Yes.
So what are some ways that viewers at home can stay safe during these excessive temperatures?
Well, a good starter is having a reliable air conditioner in the home.
That's a good start.
Yeah.
Being in Vegas, you know, I don't care what anybody says, you can't live out here without having reliable AC. Try to stay inside as much as possible. It's hot out there. Try to keep your body temperature as low as possible. Try to take cool showers, cool baths. Just try to stay inside as much as possible. It is rough out there. And if you are having AC problems, you know who to call.
That's right, Goettl.
Yeah, so good tips so far. What about some tips when it comes to taking care of our AC systems? Like maybe even for some of our viewers out there.
Absolutely, great question. Hugest one, I mean, as a homeowner, your responsibility is to take care of your filters. Try to keep them changed at least every 3 months. If you want to change it sooner than that, it could only benefit the system. Pay attention, there's a little arrow. Most people don't know this, but there's a little arrow on the filters. Make sure that's pointing up into the ceiling just to maximize airflow, just to make sure the system's breathing as properly as it should. And keep up on maintenance, obviously. Preventative maintenance goes a long way. We get the oil change in our cars,
Right.
So you know you want to keep up with the maintenance. Take these preventative measures to ensure a long-lasting system.
Yeah, I mean, these are all good points, and I think people often forget. And it doesn't hurt as well to set yourself maybe a reminder when you put in the air filter,
Yes.
so when you can change it, like it's been a month or 2 months, especially when the air conditioning's running so often at this time of year.
Absolutely.
Another thing that people do this time of year is head out of town. They leave their property to maybe escape the heat or go to weddings or whatever it might be. So what is, you know, people might fight with themselves thinking about the right temperature to set their thermostat to while they're out of town. What's a good rule of thumb for that?
Well, there's no manual or anything for that, obviously. What I like to do is if I do go away, if I know I'm going to be out all day or something like that, I usually just turn my thermostat like 5 degrees higher than what I normally set it to. I got a pregnant wife at home, so she likes to set that pretty low. If you set it just at least 5 degrees normal than what you normally do, that could prevent it from kicking off and on and off and on, which you know causes the most stress on your AC system.
Yeah.
Yeah, it usually seems like a husband and wife duo. We're often arguing about where that should be.
Absolutely.
Temperature?
I mean, okay, so I go for more of like, I don't know, a 76. Like, I don't like it too cold. I don't like
This
it
is going
too
to turn
hot.
into a fight. Do you want to sit in the middle
That's
here?
a good number.
Wow.
You know, like I usually keep it there, but
So
you know.
I get home and it's like 70 degrees in my house.
Exactly.
I'm like, okay, we
You
got
know,
to turn
we're
this up
just
a little
going
bit.
back and
If you want to sit in a refrigerator, sit inside the refrigerator.
Yeah.
This is air conditioning, people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that Family Guy episode. It's like, don't touch, who touched the thermostat?
Right.
You know?
Dads always know.
Yeah.
See, I have the app on my phone, so I can monitor
So
it,
you
and
know.
I see it halfway through. I'm like, okay, let's turn this up a few
Oh,
degrees.
that's hilarious. Well, the company just reached a really huge milestone.
Yes.
So because of that, you're actually offering a special offer.
So 85 years, Goettl still going strong. Been in business since 1939. We are offering $85 off of any repairs or services if you need it. So if you hear any weird noises, if you hear any strange sounds coming from your HVAC, give us a call. And we could try to do our best to help you guys out.
Well, thank you for coming in today. Congrats on being a soon-to-be dad.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Sorry
it.
about
Number
the air
2
conditioning
coming.
bill. Oh, wow.
Number
That's great.
2 boys. So.
And the anniversary for the company as well, of course, as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you for coming in. Guys,
Thank
if you
you
want to
very
learn
much.
more and take advantage of the $85 discount, just head to Goettl.com.